Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have your ID and admit card ready. Start now by confirming RRB photo specs and unlocking your camera. Position against a plane, light-colored background, and set camera to the exact resolution and aspect ratio specified. Once set, stand straight, keep shoulders relaxed, and look directly at the lens. Make small test captures to confirm framing. Make sure eyes are visible and no shadows fall on the face. If using a phone, enable grid lines to center your head precisely in frame. Now focus on framing. Include the full head and upper shoulders with the mandated headroom. Don't crop the chin or top of the head. Adjust exposure so skin tones look natural. Tap to lock exposure or increase fill light if needed. Avoid backlight. Position light source slightly above and in front. Maintain a neutral expression with closed mouth and open eyes, and remove spectacles if specified. Once satisfied, take multiple shots with slight variations in angle and distance to ensure one perfect capture. Finish by selecting the best frame and cropping precisely to RRB pixel dimensions and aspect ratio. Export in the required file format and size without heavy compression. Make only light edits. Adjust brightness or crop. Do not alter background, change facial features, or apply filters. Upload to the portal and verify preview. If the image is rejected, check the rejection reason, confirm specs again, and reshoot immediately. Common issues are glare, wrong dimensions, or changed background. Correct those and reupload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.